Hey guy, this probably be a short as I'm just going to do again a quick video. And one of the most healthiest foods you can put in your body is right here. Okay, salad. I get a mixed iceberg. I mean, a romaine is good. Kale is good, but get into the habit of having salad every day. I mean, there's carrot in here. There's a little bit of cabbage, purple cabbage, and I have olive oil on here. Okay, and I'm gonna put a little bit of Parmesan on here. And let me tell you, this is some of the best food for you to at least have it as a complement to your regular dinner. And I use a balsamic vinegar, some salt and pepper, and a little Parmesan cheese, and the fresh, beautiful greens salad. You can't beat. All right, guys. I just wanted to share another little dish that I enjoy keeping my body healthy, and that's a mixed green salad. Okay, can't beat it. Healthy, healthy. Thanks, guys.